In this tutorial video about Yahoo Finance, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the currency on the Yahoo Finance app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open the Yahoo Finance app. Make sure that you are logged into your account. The next step you want to do is tap on account, which is on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. The next step is to click on settings. After you tap on settings, what you need to do is find reasons and currency, which is right below the dark mode. Go ahead and tap on reasons and currency and you can see the market reason option. Go ahead and tap on the market reason and you can select the market reason of your choice. And you can see the currency option over here. You can just disable this function and you can see the default currency. Now you can change it. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see there are few currencies from which you can use. So let's go ahead and find the currency of your country. So after you find it, just go ahead and tap on the currency and you can now go back. So as you can see, now you have easily changed the currency on Yahoo Finance. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.